Describing places with purpose. Harness the power of adjectives. Hello, learners. In today's lesson, we're going to dive deep into a very specific, yet powerful aspect of the English language: descriptive adjectives and their role in describing places. But we're not just going to cover basic adjectives. Instead, we'll focus on a special function of these words, which is their ability to convey the function and purpose of a place. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started. Descriptive adjectives, as the name implies, are words that describe or modify another person or thing in the sentence. For instance, in the phrase, "an ancient castle," ancient is the descriptive adjective modifying castle. When it comes to describing places, these adjectives can provide a vivid picture and evoke the emotions, senses, or memories of the person listening or reading. They might describe the size, age, color, feelings, or even the weather of a place. But how about when we want to talk about a place's function and purpose? Here is where certain adjectives can really shine. These adjectives can describe what a place is used for or its significance. For example, educational could describe a museum's function, while sacred could describe a church's purpose. Other examples include residential, a residential area where people live; commercial, a commercial district where businesses operate; historical, a historical site, important due to its past; and many more. The key is to understand what function or purpose you want to convey about the place you're describing. Let's practice with a few examples. 1. The industrial zone is full of factories and warehouses. 2. The recreational park includes a swimming pool and a baseball field. 3. The touristic city was brimming with restaurants, shops, and museums. Each of these sentences uses a descriptive adjective to clarify the function or purpose of a place. So, the next time you're describing a place, think about its purpose or function, and choose your adjectives accordingly. That's it for today, Language Explorers. We hope that you now have a better understanding of how to use descriptive adjectives to convey the function and purpose of a place. Remember, the more specific and precise your words, the more vivid and engaging your descriptions will be. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature to you. Happy learning!